Y'all, I finally get a good video.
I'm going to the train tracks.
Okay, I'm staying here for a second. Yo, this is like legit awesome. Never mind, y'all, it's too late for that. Yeah, I'm recording this. Yo, freshly painted 3D National Boxcar. Only one bit of graffiti on it. Now that must be a record. Hang on, y'all. I kinda gotta chase this. There's the FEAD. I don't know what that stands for. I'll Google it later. Yo, I feel like I'm a real rail bidder. I finally have my dream of chasing trains around Neenah, Wisconsin. Okay, I'm guessing that's as far as I can go with it. Wait, do I hear another train? No way! No effing way! Oh my god! This is awesome! Check for the rail fitting! Jesus! No! This is awesome! Legit! This is way too cool! My stepbrother better be getting over here and stop. This is awesome. Like, do y'all not know how rare this is? A literal second train meet. Well, it's not that rare, but it's cool. Hang on, I'm gonna go over here. Yeah, Corbin better hurry up. Hey man, I finally chasing a freaking intermodal train. Wait, what? The suction barrel. Ha! Real. Yo, this is cool. Turbo DPU. This is awesome. How can this day get any better? But this engine is loud. Yo. That is awesome. A great 53-foot intermodal container. Fascinating. Well done. Holy happy lights. Ha! Aww! Train's over? Hey! There's a rail fan. There's another rail fan. There's another rail fan, y'all. Y'all, that must be the best thing that will make my day. Nothing could make my day better than seeing a really big intermodal train in Neenah, Wisconsin. See y'all on the next one. Bye.